Hi friends, I will discuss about the autonomic nervous system with mnemonics. What are adrenoceptors? Adrenoceptors are called adrenergic receptors. Difference between alpha and beta adrenoceptors. Alpha adrenoceptors constriction in function, beta adrenoceptors are dilating in function. Classification of adrenoceptors: alpha 1 adrenoceptor, alpha 2 adrenoceptors, beta adrenoceptor. Alpha 1 adrenoceptors are alpha 1a, alpha 1b, alpha 1d. Alpha 2 adrenoceptors are alpha 2a, alpha 2b, alpha 2c. Beta adrenoceptors are beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. And adrenoceptors, next subtype, location of receptor, type of G protein coupled to receptor, then basic pathway. Alpha 1 adrenoceptor, they present in smooth muscle. Where? Smooth muscle. The GQ system is present. The basic pathway is increase in phospholipase, increase in inositol phosphate 3, increase in intracellular calcium, then increase in muscle contraction. Next, alpha 2 adrenoceptor, the presynaptic nerves, they involve G inhibitor system. Decrease in activation of adenylate cyclase, decrease in cyclic AMP. Next, beta adrenergic, beta 1 adrenoceptors present in heart. Beta 2 are smooth muscle, beta 3 are fat tissues. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 are G stimulatory pathway. The increase in activation of adenylate cyclase, increase in cyclic AMP, increase in intracellular signaling pathways. Next, anticholinergic side effects. This is the mnemonic. Know the ABCDs of anticholinergic side effects. Next, A means anorexia. Anorexia means loss of appetite. Loss of appetite is called anorexia. B means blurry vision, constipation, confusion, dry mouth. Next, sedation and stasis of urine. Stasis of urine is the loss of ureteral tone of urinary tract muscles. Next, anticholinergics information. Next, anticholinergic means they inhibit the physiological action of neurotransmitter acetylcholine, preventing transmission of parasympathetic nerve impulses. Next, many medications have anticholinergic effects. Antidepressants, antihistamines, antiemetics. Antiemetics means against the vomiting. Antipsychotics, anti-Parkinsonian agents. Then can impair driving ability by causing blurred vision, sedation, confusion, ataxia, tremulousness, and myoclonic jerking. Can mimic dementia by causing subtle deficits in attention, memory, reasoning, which can impair driving ability. Many anticholinergic agents are available OTC. OTC means over-the-counter drugs ಅಂತಾರೆ. Over-the-counter drugs means they're non-prescriptional drugs and patients should be warned of their potential effects. Next, antimuscarinics, members and action. Inhibits parasympathetic and sweat. This is the mnemonic. High means ipratropium, pyrangiepine, atropine and scopolamine. Then where the muscarinic receptor are present, then below is mnemonic. Muscarinic receptor at all parasympathetic endings and sweaty glands in sympathetic. Next, antimuscarinic agents. These are the drugs which blocks the action of ACH, especially mediated through muscarinic receptor. Classification: natural alkaloids are atropine, hyoscine or scopolamine. Next, semisynthetic derivatives: omotropin methyl bromide, atropine methonitrate, hyoscine methyl bromide. Then antimuscarinic drugs, natural and synthetic. Natural are atropine or DL-iosamine isosamine. Then scopolamine or L-iosine. Next, synthetic or structural analog of atropine and structural unrelated to atropine. Structural analog of atropine are tertiary ammonium compounds are omotropine and quaternary ammonium compounds are atropine methyl nitrate, omotropine methyl bromide, methoscopolamine bromide, ipratropium, tiotropium. Structural non-related to atropine are tertiary amines and quaternary amines. Tertiary amines are pyrangiapine, dicyclomine, cyclopentolate, oxyphencyclamine, tropicamide. Next, quaternary amines are methamphetamine, propanthelin, isopropamide, glycopyrrolate. Next, atropine used in trachycardia or bradycardia. A goes with B. Atropine used clinically to treat bradycardia. What is bradycardia means? Low heart rate. Next, this is completed. Then beta 1 versus beta 2 adrenoceptor locations. You have one heart and two lungs. Beta 1 are therefore primarily on heart, beta 2 primarily on lungs. Then receptor location and effect. Alpha 1 adrenergic location on vascular wall and heart. Vascular wall, the effect is vasoconstriction. In heart, effect is increased duration of contraction without increased chronotropy. What is chronotropy? Is a heart rate. Chronotropy means heart rate. Next, beta adrenergic receptor. There are two types, beta 1 and beta 2. Location is heart and blood vessels. Effect, beta 1 effect is increased ionotropy and chronotropy. Beta 2 effect is vasodilation. Next, dopamine. Renal dopaminic receptor is renal and splanchnic or mesenteric vasodilatory effect. Next, beta blockers with CYP2D6 polymorphic metabolism. What is CYP2D6? This is the gene codes for the cytochrome P40 2D6 that present in liver and some areas of central nervous system. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the many forms of single species. Then I met Tim Carver, the metabolic polymorph. The following beta blockers request dose adjustment due to CYP2D6 polymorphic metabolism. This given three drugs, metoprolol, timolol and carvedilol. These are the drugs that requires dose adjustment. Because why this require dose adjustment? Meaning why means this due to CYP2D6 polymorphic metabolism. You understanding? Then beta 1 selective blockers. Beta 1 selective blockers. The mnemonic is beam 1 up Scooty. Beta 1 blockers, esmolol, atenolol, metoprolol. Next, type of adrenoceptors in cardiovascular system and its response to stimulus. Heart, type of adrenoceptors and response to stimulation. In heart, beta 1, beta 2 increase in heart rate, beta 1 increase in contraction velocity, increase in excitability, increase in force of contraction. Blood vessels, beta 1 dilation of coronary arteries and dilation of other arteries. Beta blockers, beta selective versus beta 1, beta 2 non-selective. A through N, beta 1 selective, acebutolol, atenolol, esmolol, metoprolol. Next, O through Z, beta 1, beta non-selective, pindolol, propanolol and timolol. Next, beta blockers, mechanism of action. Beta blockers decrease in cardiac output. Decrease in cardiac output. This beta blockers competes the this adrenergic receptors. Then the mechanism of action is decrease in cardiac output. When these beta blockers competes with agonist, there is this action is decrease in cardiac output and inhibition of renin release. Next, classes of beta blockers: selective and non-selective. The selective beta blockers are atenolol, bisoprolol, metoprolol. And non-selective is propranolol, pentoprolol, timolol. What is difference between beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3? Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 location, agonist, antagonist, and action on NR and noradrenaline. Location beta 1 location heart and juxtaglomerular cells, beta 2 bronchi, uterus, blood vessels, liver, urinary tract, eye. Next, beta 3 adipose tissue. Agonist beta 1 dobutamine, beta 2 salbutamol. Next, antagonist metoprolol, atenolol, alpha methyl propranolol. Next, action on noradrenaline, moderate, weak, strong. Next, beta blockers, the main contraindications and causes. ABCD. This is a mnemonic. Asthma, heart block, COPD. COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, diabetes mellitus, electrolyte hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is increase in any one of the electrolyte. Hyperkalemia. Next, beta blockers members. Beta blockers members are the Nepal. This is the mnemonic. The Nepal Prime Minister. T means timolol. N means nadolol, esmolol, pindolol, atenolol, labetalol, propranolol, metoprolol. Next, 3 generations of beta blockers. Beta adrenergic receptor antagonists are beta blockers. Beta blockers. The first generation, second generation, and third generation. First generation are also non-selective beta blockers. There are nadolol, oxprinolol, pentoprolol, pindolol, propranolol, sotalol, timolol. Next, second generation, beta 1 selective. Next, they are acebutolol, atenolol, bisoprolol, esmolol, metoprolol. Next, third generation are vasodilatory, non-selective and beta selective. Non-selective are cartiolol, carvedilol, labetalol. Next, beta 1 selective are betaxolol, nabiolol. Next, beta blockers. Non-selective beta blockers. This is the mnemonic for non-selective beta blockers. Tim pinches is nasal problem. This is because has a runny nose. This is the mnemonic. Tim pinches is nasal problem. Timolol, pindolol, esmolol, nadolol, propranolol. What are the side effects of beta blockers? This is mnemonic. BBC losses viewers in Rachidale. BBC losses viewers in Rachidale. BBC losses viewers in Rachidale. B means bradycardia, bronchoconstriction, claudication, lipids, vivid dreams and nightmares, negative inotropic action, reduced sensitivity to hypoglycemia. Then beta blockers with intrinsic sympathomimetic activity. This is the first point is a mnemonic. Picture diabetic and asthmatic kids riding away on a cart that rolls on a pinwheels. Pindolal and cardiolal have high and moderate intrinsic sympathomimetic activity respectively, making them acceptable for using some diabetics or asthmatics despite the fact that they are non-selective beta blockers. Cholinergics are example organophosphates effects. Side effects of organophosphate. If you know these, you will be less dumb. What is the meaning of dumb? Not hearing function properly. Not hearing properly. Less dumb. If you know this, you will be less dumb. Yellow lacrimation, excitation of nicotinic synapses, salivation, sweating, diarrhea, urination, micturition, bronchoconstriction, organophosphate poisoning. The mnemonic devices used to remember the effect of organophosphates. The mnemonic devices, slugs and dumbbells. These are the side effects. Two words, slugs, slugs, salivation. Slugs means salivation, lacrimation, urination, diarrhea, GI upset and emesis. Emesis means vomiting. Dumbbells, diaphoresis, diarrhea, urination. Meiosis ಅಂದ್ರೆ dilation. Meiosis means contraction of pupil. It is called meiosis. Bradycardia, bronchospasm. Next, bronchospasm is the tightening of airway muscles. Next, bronchoria means increased water content in lungs more than 100 ml per day. Next, emesis, excess lacrimation and salivation. Next, direct sympathomimetic catecholamines. Dined means dinner, completing the dinner. These are dined. Dopamine, isoproterenol, norepinephrine, epinephrine, dobutamine. Next, adrenergic neurotransmission and drugs affecting it. Synthesis and metabolism catecholamines. First is the tyrosine. Tyrosine converted to L-dopa with enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. Next, L-dopa converted to dopamine with dopa decarboxylase. Next, dopamine converted to norepinephrine with dopamine beta hydroxylase. Norepinephrine converted to epinephrine. First, the dopamine converted to dopac with MAO. MAO means monoamine oxidase enzyme. They converted to dopac. The dopac converted to homo-vanillic acid with catechol O-methyl transferase, COMT. Catechol O-methyl transferase. Next, norepinephrine changes to normetanephrine with COMT. Changes to vanillyl mandelic acid, VMA. Vanillyl mandelic acid. This norepinephrine change occurs by MOA, monoamine oxidase. Next, epinephrine is changed to metanephrine by COMT, catechol O-methyl transferase. Next, ipratropine action. Atropine is buried in the middle. Atropine, so it's behaves like atropine. Ipratropine means atropine is buried in the middle. Ipratropine, so it's behaves like atropine. Classification of anti-asthmatic drugs. What is means of asthma? There is a resistance of airflow in the lungs, bronchi and bronchioles, production of excess mucosa, swelling and other injuries. First is the classification of anti-asthmatic drugs. First one is bronchodilators. Bronchodilators. First, selective beta 2 agonist. Clenbuterol, salbutamol, phenterol, indacaterol, levosalbutamol, salmeterol, terbutaline. Next, non-selective beta agonist epinephrine, isoprenaline, arceprinaline, ephedrine. Next, M-cholineolatics, ipratropium, tiotropium, oxytropium. Next, methyl xanthines, theophylline, aminophylline, thiotard. Next, mast cell stabilizers, sodium chromoglycate, ketotifen, nidochromil. Next, nidochromil. Next, muscarinic effects, slug bam. This is the mnemonic, slug bam. S, salivation, secretion and sweating, lacrimation, urination, gastrointestinal upset, bradycardia, bronchoconstriction, bowel movement, abdominal cramps or anorexia, and meiosis. Meiosis means constriction of pupil. Dilation of pupil is called mydriasis. Constriction of pupil is called meiosis. But next, anti-muscarinic agents. This is completed. Next, prazosin usage. What is the use of prazosin? Prazosin, it is a mnemonic. This is mnemonic. Prazosin sounds like an acronym of Prazar urine. Prazar urine. Therefore, prazosin used for urinary retention in BPH. Urinary retention in BPH means benign. Benign prostatic hyperplasia. BPH means benign prostatic hyperplasia. Next, classification, beat alpha adrenoceptor antagonist. Alpha adrenoceptor antagonist. There are three types: non-selective blockers alpha 1 and alpha 2, selective blockers and miscellaneous blockers. Next, non-selective blockers alpha 1 and alpha 2, reversible and irreversible. Reversible are phentolamine, tolazoline, trisoline. Irreversible are phenoxybenzaimine. Next, alpha 1 blockers are prazosin, terazosin, doxazosin, alfuzosin, bunazosin, tamsulosin, silodosin. Next, alpha 2 blockers are yohimbine, idazoxan. Next, miscellaneous are ergot alkaloids. Next, propranolol and related oral drugs usage. Oral is just two backwards lower case BS. Backward B stand for beta blocker. Beta blocker include acebutolol, beta-oxolol, bisoprolol, oxprenolol, propranolol. Reserpine action. Reserpine depletes the reserves of catecholamines and serotonin. Next, adrenergic neuron antagonists. They act by, first one is the decreasing ANA synthesis, noradrenaline synthesis. Example, alpha-methyltyrosine, carbidopa, alpha-methyl-dopa. Decreased NA storage or noradrenaline storage by reserpine, and decreased noradrenaline release with guanethidine. Thank you for watching.